In this lesson, I will explain the operation of a half-wave rectifier. Consider a half-wave rectifier with an AC input, sinusoidal input. I will draw the input waveform on this side. So that's the first half cycle, and this is the second half cycle. What we want to do, we want to observe the operation, analyze the operation of the half-wave rectifier to see what the output will look, what will be the result of the output based on this input. Now, during the first half cycle of the input waveform, this side is positive, this side is negative with respect to that side. Therefore, this side of the diode will be positive, and since this side is negative, this side here of the diode would also be negative. Okay. Now, you remember that diode is forward biased if the anode is positive and the cathode is negative. So this diode, under the influence of the first half cycle, this diode will be forward biased. Therefore, current will flow through the diode, through the load. From here, considering conventional current flow, current will flow through the diode, down through the load, with this end then being positive. Okay, that is during the first half cycle. So the output would also follow that waveform and be positive. Now, during the negative half cycle, this side of the supply will be negative, this side will be positive, this therefore here will be negative, and here would be positive. Now, under this condition of the negative half cycle, the diode is reverse bias, so no electricity flow. Since there is no current flow through the load, there is no voltage developed across the load, so the output will simply be a flat signal like that. So, recapping, then, during the first half cycle, the diode is forward biased and you get an output positive waveform. During the negative half cycle, the diode is reverse biased and there's no output. So the result is that you get a half wave rectified output. It's a DC output because it does not fluctuate above, it does not fluctuate below the zero level. It is a DC output. Nevertheless, it is a pulsating half wave rectified DC output.